from the single-celled organisms that live at the very bottoms of the oceans to the most complex organisms like human beings or whales or other giant multicellular organisms, is the amazing miracle of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and that is that each of them, all of these from the simplest to the most complex, originate from a very simple molecule called DNA. Deoxyribonucleic acid is the source of life, and yet this molecule, which is made up of 4 bases, the sequences of which vary from organism to organism, are going to be the foundation for all of these lives, all of the bacteria, all of the humans, all of the many different creatures that exist on Earth. It is amazing because only very recently Carl Sagan, one of the greatest astrophysicists and astronomers, has said, paraphrasing from him, that life, the very chemical reactions in the cell, the very proteins that carry out the functions of the cell, and the hereditary DNA that actually allows the cell to come about, all of these are the same, whether they are from a plant or an animal. So in fact, Carl Sagan even says that a oak tree is similar to me as a human being because we have the same ancestor. Well, we as believers in God, we think that maybe it is not just that the ancestor is the same, but the fact that the creator of us all, the trees and the plants, all of them possess the same creator, that the one who brought us into this world is the same. The magnificence of this hereditary material points to the wisdom of Allah. It is remarkable that not only 7 billion human beings, but so many other diverse organisms can come to exist from such a simple molecule. The information in DNA is stored as a code made up of 4 chemical bases. Imagine, just 4. Human DNA consists of about 3 billion sequences of these bases, and more than 99% of those bases are the same in all people. The order or sequence of these bases determines the information available for building and maintaining a person or any organism for that matter. Just like letters of the alphabet appear in a certain order to form words and sentences. Yet a cell from any person can be used to uniquely identify him or her from anyone else. I find that Imam Ali alayhi salam says it best in Nahjul Balagha. If you tread on the paths of your imagination and reach its extremity, it will not lead you anywhere except that the originator of the ant is the same as he who is the originator of the date palm, because everything has the same delicacy and detail, and every living being has little difference. Once again, what science sees as a physical phenomenon, Islam and our holy guides point to the creative force of God as the unifying factor.